alive, but I'm barely breathing.
Yes.
To pray to a God that I don't believe in.
Jeez,
Well, I've got time while she got freedom. Cause when a heart breaks, no, it don't break even.
Jeez,
No, what am I supposed to do when the best part of me was always you? And now me I cry. Oh Lord. Oh my
Brother,
God.
you know which song did mash me up when it dropped?
Oh.
You know
Give me a
that
minute.
I could use somebody.
Give me a minute. It's bringing me back to a place right now that.
You know that I could use somebody.
Brother, so the man said, I've been rolling around,
Always
looking down, and all I see.
Jeez,
Oh God.
I
Yo.
can't reach.
Subscribers, I need a minute.
You know that I could use somebody.
Somebody.
That's a, for real, you know that.
Brother, you swim me here. I say, oh, this has gotta be a good life. A good life. Yeah.
Oh gosh.
God.
we need that back.
Oh,
you know what I mean? We need that back.
Oh
That-
God, I'm crying.
He cried for real.
Welcome to the Dale Elliott podcast. I am your host, Dale Elliott, and I am here with my co-host, Crooks.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort.
Bad tune.
Bad tune.
People, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe.
Yeah.
Been there on the road.
How's the road been?
So far, the tour been good in the dog. I do Richmond the other day, and I do Richmond, I do Missouri.
Misery.
Yeah. Meet up with Julie Mango.
Yes, big up Julie Mango.
Me and I do podcast. Yeah, but me there now. Me there, I just, you see that, you sing that song there? Brother, me. Tell me, my side, tell me if you know that song, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this, but sometimes I get so scared when I think about the previous relationship we shared. It was awesome, but we lost it. It's impossible for me not to care. And now we're standing in the rain. Nothing's ever gonna change until you hear my tear. The 7 things I hate about you. The 7 things I hate about you. Oh, you know that song?
No.
You're a pain, you're a game, you're insecure. You love me, you like her. You make me laugh, you make me cry. I don't know which side to buy.
Yeah, I feel like white people fell off musically. You know?
I've been saying white people fell off completely. They don't know nothing. White people apparently know. White people feel like we want to hear them sing trap music.
What is that? What is that?
I don't want to hear a white person like, bitch, I'm from Memphis.
No, I don't want that.
Bitch, I'm from Texas. Me don't want to hear that sing.
No, man. We're missing that grunge, punk rock, emo,
Brother,
preppy.
why?
We need that perspective there still.
I don't want to hear no white person telling me about them sipping lean and chilling in the club. No, tell me about Stacy's mom. She's got it going on. She's all I want. And I've waited for so long.
Bro, imagine being Stacy. And hearing like a hit tune.
The facts are yo.
Like yo, would I put one per
Stacy, your full blown no look good enough, Stacy. But you see your mother?
Jeez, got it going on.
Dad. You see your mother? Brother, white people, that music, what do you call it? Alternative?
Yeah, I think it's like pop alternative or something. No, comments.
Help us with that genre. But I really believe that those music did draw a specific emotion.
Absolutely.
And it means so much to me now. Me, I look back on them time in my life that me didn't need.
Brother, you see when Linkin Park dropped Crawling? Dog, nothing was ever the same again, you know. Well, bro, all of us was watching MTV one day, dog. I'm just in this video. Dun, dun. Like, yo, what is this? Crawling in my skin. These wounds, they will not heal. What?
Brother, you see when Green Day say 121 guns, lay down your heart.
Yo.
Give up the fight, dog. Them artists, them white people here now, give me them type of... Brother, you know this script?
The script, no.
Brother, you know... I'm finding this script song. You know the script. Because I tell you, the script is a big band.
Okay.
I'm still alive, but I'm barely breathing.
Yes.
To pray to a God that I don't believe in.
Jeez,
Well, I've got time while she got freedom. Cause when a heart breaks, no one don't break even.
Jeez,
No, what am I supposed to do when the best part of me was always you? And dog, me I cry. Oh Lord. Oh my
Brother,
God.
You know which song did mash me up when it dropped?
Oh.
You know that I could use somebody.
Give me a minute. It's bringing me back to a place right now that.
You know that I could use somebody.
Brother, the man said, I've been rolling around,
always looking down, and all I see. Jeez,
Oh God. Yo.
I can't reach.
Subscribers, I need a minute.
You know that I could use somebody. That's it, for real, you know that.
Brother, you swear me here. I say, oh, this has gotta be a good life. A good life. Yeah.
Oh gosh.
God.
We need that back.
Oh,
you know what I mean? We need that back.
Oh God, I'm crying.
He cried for real.
This just I bring me back, dog. There's something in your eyes. Follow me and you'll never have to wish again. Darling, I know that after tonight, you don't have to look up at the stars. No, I know. But in the tonight, you don't have to look up at the stars. Oh, God. Oh my Lord!
You know song. Give me that feeling that. But see, I vibe to it earlier.
Wait a minute!
Oh Lord! I think I left my conscience in the sixth dimension. What?
How?
But I know right now.
Brother, I think music nowadays lose feeling.
Yeah.
Me no feel like me I listen to song like one time.
Yeah, no, I feel like it's a lot of
No, it not stay.
But it's a lot of people just trying to make a song. One time a song could have give like there was a message behind why.
People need to start take one day for write song again and stop this 30-minute thing.
People need to take day and people need to refine them song and try to figure out what is the message where you try portray with the song. The song could have been a vibes, you know, but refine the vibes there. You see me? Refine it to a point where the emotions so strong. We not get them kind of song there again, man.
Brother, I just remember. I say that every word you say, you wrote them for me. You know that song?
No.
Because it was a pride. You know that song? When the lights come on and I'm on my own, will you be there to sing it again? Can I be the one you talk about? You know what I'm saying?
No.
Can I be him? You know what I'm saying? Oh God.
Oh, Lord.
You walked into the room and now my heart's been stolen. Yeah.
Oh, no, man, I know that one there.
What that dog name again? I think John Mayer.
Oh, that's a John Mayer song? Oh, John Mayer is a
It's probably not a John Mayer song. John Mayer have the one where say.
Yeah.
I want, even that one there, waiting on the world to change. We keep on waiting on the world to change.
Oh, yeah, John Mayer was crazy.
Damn, I didn't know them man. You're beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Man, them need to start go back in at them bag, dog.
You know what it is, though? I think, like the energy of the people changed so much. It's like, one time, it did cool for like,
Have feelings.
Like it did all right. Once upon a time, it was perfectly fine.
Fear man tell a girl exactly how him feel in a song.
Fear man be obsessed with a girl that him probably never have a chance with that girl, yeah.
Remember one time, brother, remember how it used to feel for a girl send you a picture in her brassiere?
Oh, Lord, man.
Her brassiere, no, not her titty,
Yeah, man, just in the brassiere.
Brother, right now, like, if you see a girl will look super hot pan IG, it is possible to just type her name in pan Reddit and you might find her nudes.
You might see her completely naked now.
If she have at least 1 million followers, you might can see her naked on Reddit.
And if you can't, it's probably like $6 to see it. You know what I mean? Which is also crazy.
Although when we are little pitney, imagine we did that try find $6 if see that. Oh God, would die? Would I die?
Oh yeah, absolutely. It would be, but it's like it's so much more accessible now. It's like the all the standards have fallen. You know what I mean? All the standards them drop. One time it did okay if you're a girl mad over a boy. One time it did okay if you're a boy mad over a girl. Yeah. No, it's like, it's like if you're not sleep with somebody else, girl, you're lame. Cool.
No, yeah.
You the lame for having a girlfriend. Cause me I go sleep with your girlfriend.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, like you with a girlfriend right now?
Yeah, you the lame.
You're crazy.
Yeah,
where you go with girlfriend?
You the lame one. Cause I'ma smash your chick at the club and send her back to you. It's like, what? So why me? What happened to like caring about people? We don't care about people again.
Brother, the man them need to start tell them girls say they love them, brother.
It's okay to love somebody.
Brother, I feel like all of this go wrong. Me don't know who start the wrongness.
Yeah.
But man stop tell woman how them feel. Mm-hmm. And woman start ask man for something where them definitely can do.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
the one thing where man could have did do, and I still believe this. I still believe that in terms of music, as good as a woman is with a pen, I don't think a woman can express her love for a man like how a man can express him love for a woman.
I feel like there's different ways.
Yeah, but when me listen to a song, a love song, with a man and a woman, I just feel like most of the man song them, when a man profess him love, it sound crazy. It perfectly written. It perfect. With a woman, it feel the same way, but not by time is a man write it.
That's true. We have to check out who write what.
You can check. Tell me like the biggest female love song,
I would have to say the classic. The Whitney.
Which one?
I know and I have to look very much further.
What that's the name? And we are gonna find out who write it.
Don't follow.
Don't make me close the door, right?
Yeah.
We are gonna find out who write. Don't make me close the door
anymore.
Don't
stay in my life.
Make me close the door, writers.
Don't walk away from me.
I have nothing. More see who write it.
I have nothing. Nothing.
If I don't. More see if that song was written by a man named David.
Ooh.
Written by David.
That would probably explain like
David Foster and Linda Thompson.
That probably express.
So there's a woman write it. A woman write it with David, but it have because enough of them love song they were here.
Yeah.
Well, I think Mariah Carey is a good writer.
Yeah.
And she write a couple of her song them.
Okay.
But whole heap of the female love song them we hear. A man write them.
I mean, what about like the new one them like the Scissors and?
I think who is a good? I think Scissor is a good writer.
Yeah.
Scissor, Summer Walker are good writers.
So I feel like,
but not all of them. So like Snooze, a Babyface writer,
I mean, Babyface is a legendary writer too. True.
Male.
True. You know what I think? And this may can cook me in the comments for this. I feel like women write love songs and they come off a little more crazier than guys do. Like a guy can like profess him love and just be like, "Me love you and me do anything and me catch a grenade," and you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Woman will be like, "If you ever leave me, if you ever mess up."
But which song say so?
Even the Whitney Houston is like that.
But all right, that's what I'm say. Outside of that, which one like that? I feel women write.
SZA would say,
Women can write.
I get that fire for you.
Babyface.
Oh. Okay.
Women probably write great breakup and leave songs.
Yeah, okay, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Like if left a man, as woman can write the perfect.
Yeah.
Because them do the lefting mostly.
Yeah.
So probably that's why men do the chasing and women do the lefting. Man don't really write breakup song, you know.
That's true. That's true.
Tell me the song where a man I say, "Boy, I may have to break up with you."
That I have to break up with you. It's. I think the only breakup song I can think of, which is not, it's like a after breakup song, is probably the Neo So Sick of Love Songs.
Yeah, but that's
like after. That's way after the.
Yeah, but that's him saying that he miss her and that she left him.
Yeah, but in the woman song, them it's normally like a mixture of.
In the woman song, them is "I have to leave you."
Yes, but it's still like it's a mixture of like the love and the leave.
Tell me the woman song where I say, "Ever since you left me, I've been hungry, I've been starving, I can't focus." No. Since we're going there, tell me the woman song where say.
Not that I can currently think of. Comments, help me out. Maybe there's one.
There's probably one, but because I say
it's not.
We can choose from a wealth of men where women are left them and them stressed out.
Yeah, true.
But
very true.
In terms of professing love, man have the best professing love song and woman have the best moving on song.
Yes, very true. Very true. Very true.
Moving on. If a woman, when a woman
like
left you, done with you,
yeah,
and
it's
them
perfect.
sound of them can write good. Them can write good when them are left, man.
Stayed up late. Seems as though you missed the sun.
Brother, even the song them where the man them move on, still sound sad.
Oh yeah, man. It's still like me I forgot to do this, even though you're not there.
Brother, you know the one where, all right, Return of the Mac is not really a happy song, you know.
No.
The man is
Return of the Mac is traumatized.
I am sure the girl that left the man, when she hear Return of the Mac, she knows that she can call him right now.
Absolutely. This is just a cry for help.
This is literally, yo, me miss you know.
Yeah.
And me can't do nothing.
Like I tried. Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
And I guess you didn't know.
And I'm back to run the show.
So
brother,
now I'm out back on the streets. Can use a lion.
I think there's no man that you've ever seen listen to Return of the Mac and him look happy.
It's never happy.
You can see the cry for help. Man them. I've listened to Return of the Mac after a breakup already. It was never a good feeling. Like I've never been listening to Return of the Mac and be like, yes, okay, feel good.
Return of the Mac, and follow me. Return of the Mac has the same energy as 450 Wild and Rich.
Even that is a cry, yo, bro.
That's a cry. That's a cry. That's like a cry for help.
450 and 450. Big man thing 450. Me like that song there too.
Yo,
you're hurting.
I will see it, bro.
Can't style me, remember. Why? You're hurting, bro.
Hey, big thing allow you for play with my love.
That's
after
me right
invest
here.
my money and my time in you.
Brother,
that's
a hurt. Brother, anytime.
Nah, like me, women, I know the same from your cut.
Women, tell a God truth. A girl in the comments, tell a God truth. If you break up with a man and you see him and listen to songs like that and post it on him story, don't you feel good? Like, don't you know, like, you know you have him. You know.
Yeah, man. Mash up my boy,
you know that you have completely obliterated his confidence.
Yeah, man. The best thing ever in my life.
and he is crying for help. You see that story where he's posting and he's saying, can't stand me, I'm wild and rich.
Yeah, man. Them a B2 juice on the corner with them shades on. He was crying.
He is madding, okay? Him realize him can't even looking at the phone screen. That is always a looking off. You see, if you drive, listening to Wild and Rich, can't tell brother, just the words of that, I want to cry. Brother.
You get a brand new man and that's fine by me.
Hope you find happiness, hope you enjoy it.
But when things don't work out, you don't call me.
Because that's not no fool, don't need you on it. Brother, listen, no man is going to sing this confidently. Because me not no fool, don't need you, and it might hurt, but me alright. Brother, that's a cry for help.
I get a gal by noon. But that's the
anytime
you try to rebuild up back your yo, dog.
Anytime when a man have to remind himself.
Dog, me a gal listen, dog. Me can get a gal by noon.
You have to know my can't style man thing. He is he is hurting.
Hurt, yo. Crush him now.
He is hurting with 7H. 450, me understand where I got through, brother, because I feel like that already.
Yeah, man. That's the same Return of the Mac energy. The same.
That are the same. Yeah. He probably was listening to Return of the Mac.
Probably.
Brother, that is so the same energy.
Yeah.
But the thing is, I listen to those songs as I'm stronger than that.
Yeah.
I'm now go jump off a cliff.
Yeah, straight. Like
so when me see a man, I listen to them Sunday through a breakup.
Yeah.
Me know him now. Me know me can leave a rope around him.
Yeah, cause him alright. Him
a figure it out now.
That song with that him a,
now
yeah,
him
right, you know.
Now him a give himself a pep talk.
Yeah, it's like, dog, what you mean? Me want to touch the road.
Yeah, like now him a get ready to go out and you dip on him mind, it a stress him, but him a go try.
Him a try and move past that right now. Go enjoy himself.
But females, trust me, you're in.
Yeah, you're there.
No, he is nowhere. You were to see that story. If you didn't see that,
him not post that for nobody else.
He post that for you see it. Because he's hurting right now.
Yeah, man. You see the subtweet them, get a girl by noon.
You feel no man can't style man thing how you feel like. Crazy. But there's one breakup song, one moving on song that I know for a fact. You see, if you might listen to this, he's dying. He needs help.
Which one?
Brother, there's a song by Boyz II Men that says, name I'm doing just fine. That's the biggest lie. If I hear I'm just,
no.
You know it, man. It makes it hard to believe, but I'm doing just fine.
Yes, yeah.
Getting along everywhere without you in my life. I don't need you in my life.
Hurt.
Brother, the man at one part when the man said, there was a time when I thought life was over and out when you went away from me. My dying heart made it hard to breathe. Somewhere down the road, you felt a change in the weather and tone and said you had to journey on. One kiss in the wind and your love was gone. Yo, brother. So the dog walk out and said, now you're saying that you made a big mistake. Didn't mean to take your love away. But you can save your tired apologies, cause it makes it hard to believe. But I'm doing just fine. Brother, you're lying.
That hurtful, like you want to take back the girl, but you know, say you just get a wicked piece of bone a while ago.
Brother, you see when the rain start fall. Brother, the rain start fall, like music video, the man says, say that.
See the man, them not do that again, you know, when I sing.
Brother, when the rain used to fall in a music video.
Rain not fall in a music video again.
Brother, when the rain used to fall in a music video, like a man go up on him knee in the white shirt.
Yeah, oh Lord, man, the white shirt. And
brother, when 5 of them, you know what? You know the music video used to bad.
Which one?
When them used to stay in a desert.
Oh yeah, man.
You see four man in a desert.
Yo, in the full white. In the full white, the linen shirt open
full
up.
white, black. 4 man in a desert mean hit.
Yeah, man. This is a hit record. Hit record.
Any artist out there 4 rounds you need to go out in a desert right now.
And
go
sing
make a
how you
song.
love somebody and just, or how you miss somebody and
Brother,
just,
even the choreography, brother, the man them have Jodeci.
yeah.
Man them have a song, man them in the desert, and the man them say, it's been an hour since you've been gone. How you reaching that desert if she got 1 hour?
In the desert, where is she, bro? You need to find her.
1 hour. No, only in the desert, stress out.
So
she gone.
You know, remember the Brian McKnight song when I say, it's been 6 months, 12 days, 10 hours since you went away. The man is counting down.
6 months, 12. Yeah, I miss you so much and I don't know what to say.
Counting down the literal minutes.
Jesus, brother.
Bro, what?
Brother, I mean, I wonder if man no love so again or what, brother.
Them kind of love there. Some I don't OG love them. Them love the.
Like they love the wear off.
Yeah, man. Some them love the extinct now. But no.
Woman don't understand at them times them did have the power, you know.
Oh, that was the. All right, the power. All right, I've always felt like the secret power of a woman in a relationship is her undying kindness that just going to make you as a man feel like you need to do better with yourself.
Yeah, like
you know what I mean?
yeah, no.
Like even if you're terrible, even if you're a piece of crap, right? You supposed to get look by your woman and go, damn, you know, say she really. I'm not supposed to do this, you know.
Yeah, and if you
You know what I mean? Like
yeah, like man, them if you have a girl out there where you can give bun and don't feel no way in yourself,
you're a wicked. I mean,
it's not the one for you.
Yeah, that's no.
If she not make you look by yourself and say, John, you know, some
Jano.
foolishness me are going with.
you know something terrible, but not supposed to.
You know, I'm not supposed to do this though.
Jano.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
So if every woman, if you're there with a woman right there, you give her bun and not 1 pint,
you don't feel no regret,
you
bro?
don't feel no regret and another one.
Yeah, just Lego that. You know what I mean? Just
Yeah, man, that's a Lego.
Yeah, man. Fully.
Brother, the way just the way how music used to bring emotion out of people, dog.
Yeah.
Specific, brother, you what the song name with the man? I say, put that woman first. If it wasn't for the Sunday All-Star Weekend games, girl, I could remember. And if it wasn't for the Dose and 50 Jesus show, girl, you know.
That used to start every dance.
Said,
Jaheim?
I forgot to be a lover.
Big tune.
When she starts singing up, bringing up ocean. Numbers in. I'm telling your brother, put that woman first.
It's crazy them time there, you know. Cause forgive one, you had to write down the number. You have to write down somebody number, you know.
I feel like forgive one them time that it easier.
Oh, absolutely. Like you could have remember, you know, them time that people have the whole other family, you know, and you know the same.
All right. So here's my theory.
Yeah.
All of them marriage the way here last 50 and 60 years would
because
last if phone did about it. You know?
Oh, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I don't even feel like, all right, I feel like we have too much access to everybody.
Feel like you can't dare on your partner too much. You need at least, I don't feel like 24 hours. You're not supposed to dare on your partner 20 hour out or 24 hour day. That's insane.
No, yeah. I mean, at that time too, it's like, you know, you're at work, you're at work all day doing whatever you're doing.
You're there at work and then you go home to your woman. That was how it was.
Yeah.
Or the two want to go work and then see each other when they come home.
Yeah.
But if the two want to go home and the two want to not work, it not go work.
Yeah, there's nothing go on.
You are sitting and look on her, she a look at you.
Nobody has like any privacy from each other. You know what I mean? It's just
you have to can go away if you come back together.
Yeah. You know, it's hard to ask how was your day if you're like there.
If you did it every time.
You know what I mean? Like you're here the whole time. You know what I mean? So you know how my day was. You know? It's like
me that have to go out the door, go walk up and down in a circle or something.
Do something. Go venture off.
Yeah, me have to me come outside and just walk.
I mean, I think solitude is like a very important thing to have.
Me I want for man alone though.
No, for everybody. I think it I think it benefits both parties. I feel like it benefits men more in a way.
Yeah, because I feel all right when you ever know money that she does not stop talk. And you want to stop talk.
Yeah.
You want like
you can't just say all right. I don't. Okay.
You ever there a woman that she come to you like she see you sit down, not completely not do nothing.
And just give something
and come to you and just ask like, yo, why you sit down here? Just why does I think?
I don't think I don't know. I don't think in my experience, I don't feel like women understand the man aspect of just like
doing nothing.
Like
sitting, doing
nothing.
Nah, sit down on my phone, me nah nothing, no. Me nah sleep, me nah nothing, me just sit down.
Boom.
Me not think a woman can understand say, this is what we are doing right now. Completely normal. Like completely normal.
Yeah.
Not scrolling through my phone, not doing nothing, just sitting down.
just chilling. Just, you know what I mean? Just nothing, just there.
Nothing at all.
Have you ever been given a task as soon as you felt like you were about to
drift off in like the Netherlands?
Yeah, like like I get in your meditation, it's like, hey babe, what you doing?
Then you see her like, yo, I'm hungry.
What's for dinner? You know what we doing what we doing today?
I'm hungry, man. I need nothing to eat. Man, all right. So when I go anywhere, no, man, all right. I want to stay right to and do nothing.
Just chill.
Can I just do nothing right now, please? Can I please do nothing? All I am asking for you is to let me do nothing.
I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to do nothing.
I don't want to go nowhere. I don't want to eat anything. I just want to just do nothing.
What are you doing today? You have plans today?
Nothing.
No. Okay, can we go and do these things today?
I don't want to.
John, no, I didn't really, not because I didn't have anything to do, meant that I was looking for something to do.
Not because I now do not mean I want to do something.
Yeah, I'm never want to do anything. I'm doing exactly
man,
what
exactly
I want to do
what
right
we did want to. Like, what you do today? This is exactly what we do today.
Just nothing.
You know, I got test this to see if this happen to every man. This a man, male is in the comments. Yo, you ever like there your yard and like 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and then there's, you don't know where that energy of motivation come from.
Oh,
but you
man.
Feel like you have
need
to change the
your
world.
life. Yes.
Yes. Me feel like that happened to me like at least once a month.
Yeah.
We're 3 o'clock in the morning. Now me wake up like me see the light.
Yeah.
Like me say, yo, you need to. And then you start do it too.
There's one.
3 o'clock, you know. You start do it
right then and there. Cause that's the level of motivation too. It's like, dog, you know, say that's my problem. I do it right now.
Push up.
Right now. 20 right now. I'm going to wait till a morning for the 20 push-up.
Yeah,
right
yeah,
now.
Yeah, why me just do the 20 push-up right now?
Yeah, man. That's my problem, you know. I need to stop put things off, you know, man.
And you just feel motivated as hell.
Super boat. Once you go sleep, that done.
Until you wake up. But you're bound to have that motivation there.
For sure.
Like
for
all
sure.
the time.
I don't know what it is. It's like, I don't know if something gets tricked. And I thought it was a social media thing at first. But it happened.
Brother, I know it happened to me. It happened to you.
Yeah.
People, I know if it happened to you too. But brother,
and I feel like it happened before social media too. Like,
this has been happening to me since I was a child.
Yeah. It's like,
I don't know why me doing the push-up is like the motivating factor. Like even if it's a schoolwork me supposed to do, me get up and the push-ups then make me feel like,
yeah, man.
All right then, you're ready for take on the absolute world now. You not eat right in a deal.
It's always that's when the new diet starts. That's when the new mindset starts. The new workout routine. Dog, I need to start run. I can run every morning. As a matter of fact.
As a matter of fact, today I can run.
I run today.
No, you just stay up till 5:30. No, you that I run 5:30 in the morning.
Like a madman.
Like a madman. You see other people out there, you say, oh, he probably got through the same thing as me just got through.
Yeah, free. See, me I do the right thing, you know. See, people out there, yeah, man. Right thing, this me I do, you know. Yeah, you go back and then see if you have the same energy for doing it tomorrow.
See if you have
Once you have any barrier I feel like the more barriers that start to pop up, then the motivation just dies down.
Yeah.
Back, you know what I mean? This is like, John, it's cold outside today still. About the 5 o'clock running still. All right, do it a morning when it
Brother, you know, brother,
warm up back.
right now, my biggest fight is, you see, because me have so much show back to back, I only come back now for 2 days.
Yeah.
I believe, say, me book all of my flights them for come in first thing in the morning. So once me reach home,
You can.
me fair shoot podcast and me fair use up his space and
Yeah.
me fair use the space.
Yeah.
Every time I reach home for the last 4 shows,
You forget about the sleep.
it's like me feel like when we are make plans, we not really make plans for sleep. Every time I come off of the plane,
That is the male. That's why we need woman still, you know.
yeah, man, no factor in rest. Yeah, me not feel like I factor in rest when me I make my plans.
No, not at all. This is like, all right, what time I gonna reach? And then like, all right, 5 a.m. I feel like 5 a.m. good for land. Cause then,
Yeah, me
you
have
know,
to
me
wake
can
up.
still-
I gotta wake up 6 o'clock.
Yeah, exactly. So me gonna take a sleep on the plane. You see me? Take
Brother.
a sleep on the plane. Boom bang.
Let me see. Me have Ottawa, Canada this weekend, Friday. Then me have Charlotte Saturday.
Okay.
Then me have come home. No, me have Charlotte Sunday. Then me have come home back for 2 more days. Then me gone again at Cleveland.
Yeah.
Here the funny thing with how me book my travel. I book the first flight out of LA every morning. First flight is always like 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Yep.
Not realizing that. No, that mean
That you have to.
I have to
You have to be there like 4.
I have to be up. I have to be at that airport by like 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
The latest. No, that means say, me I forgot my bed now from like,
Like 7 o'clock.
7.
It wasn't factoring in none of that.
I never thought about that at all.
And then here you are, 9 o'clock, unpacked.
9 o'clock,
You see me?
unpack, a fight, fi pack. No, 12 o'clock, me in the bed, me can't sleep. Can't sleep at all. Knowing that I have to be up
In 3 hours.
in 3 hours, I'm me a fight to go sleep.
Yep. That is also a crazy feeling.
Wanting to go sleep.
And
And it's like, why when me want to sleep now?
just aggressively try to
You ever
shut
like
off. Just-
come go your bed. For some reason, that is when you start think about every
Everything.
single thing
everything.
except for sleep.
All the problems of life start to rush you immediately right then and there.
You know what the killer?
Oh.
When you're dead, and you're up for all 3 hours, can't go sleep, and you say, "Cho, I gotta stay up here, man. 30 minutes before." You see, 30 minutes before a time for your wake, that is when you want to sleep with the dog.
The deepest sleep catch you immediately right
That is
there.
when you want, like,
For like a good 30 minutes and then you oh Lord.
no, you want to say you might late.
No, we have to move now.
I ain't get no rest.
Nope. Still not fully packed neither.
You know you're not packed fully. No, you left something.
Yeah, you fully left something. You're like, John, I forgot to buy a toothbrush when we reach out.
All kind of sitting, brother.
Oh, I left my toothbrush and the deodorant and
Brother, what day I'm gonna do the craziest? Brother, what day I'm gonna do the craziest travel planning? at the dunces travel, cause that's why I say woman important. So more while me we are think about one thing alone,
yeah.
and now I think about the things
You're
that
not thinking about how you're going to live while you're there.
for add around it.
Yeah.
When me did I go Poughkeepsie, all I had in mind, I had a memory of driving from New Jersey to Poughkeepsie.
Yeah.
That was the memory. I loved it. I looked through the window. It was great. I booked a flight, landing in White Plains, New York.
Yeah.
Because I was thinking, oh yeah, this is close to Poughkeepsie. 1 hour away from Poughkeepsie. So I'm
Right.
like, yeah, let me fly into White Plains.
Okay.
And I got a rental in White Plains. White Plains is an hour and a half from New Jersey. And Poughkeepsie is 2 hours and 40 minutes from where my hotel. so I flew in and got a rental in White Plains, drove 1 hour 30 minutes to the hotel to sleep,
Yep.
to drive 3 hours to Poughkeepsie and 3 hours back. to then drive another 1 hour 30 minutes to the
drop off
hotel.
the car.
To drop off the car for leave. That by far.
Why did you do that?
That by far. Brother, me a driver, me I say, yo, me not reach where me I go.
Why did it? I didn't look at the logistics clearly enough before I planned any of this.
And you don't get the worst part yet.
Oh.
What me tell you say me do? Me make sure you say me book what? The first flight out. So you see the day. So
and the airport is an hour away.
I booked the first flight out. And it always right after my show. So now, my drive got 3 hours to Poughkeepsie. The 2 show in Poughkeepsie, a 7 o'clock show and a 9 o'clock show. The meet and greet, everything. I am leaving Poughkeepsie 11:30.
Yeah.
To go back 3 hours to the hotel.
So 11:30. This is now 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Right.
So now 3 o'clock in the morning, my flight is 6. So now me reach 3 o'clock. The flight leave 6.
You have an hour to go drop off the car, no? Or where the car?
No, me I got to drive, go drop off the car.
Yes, that's an hour.
An hour 30 to catch a flight.
So no, that hour.
so when me reach in 3 o'clock,
yeah. You have to leave immediately.
but I just take up my laptop and leave.
Yeah, you have to leave immediately.
But I just take up my laptop and take up the things them and just leave.
Jaja. Oh gosh, bro.
I never, no thought.
It's like, why you never just get somewhere? I say, if you didn't have an Uber, just look over them plans and be like, so why you never just get...
So that plan didn't make no sense.
So why you never just rent the car in Poughkeepsie? Why you never rent a car in Poughkeepsie?
All I had
and
to
just
do
go?
was, if I was staying in Jersey, just fly out of Jersey and get the rental car.
At Jersey, do everything there.
Do
and then
everything in Jersey, drive it 3 hours, go back. Or I could have just get a hotel in Poughkeepsie, land in White Plains, drive, do the show in Poughkeepsie, then just drive 1 hour back.
And drop off a car.
And drop off the car and go home.
Go home.
So where I went wrong was getting that place in Jersey and renting that car from...
You had a trifecta of...
It was a madness.
wasn't
Me just see that
wasn't
drive
preen.
round. Me just see that drive round. Like,
Was not preen at all. Had a triangular trip.
mathematically, it never made no sense.
Jaja. We never go factor in that. You just have to think, say, yeah, man, I'm going to do the show. Car, yes, so. Hotel, yes, so. Boom, easy.
Which logistics.
Like, but you never look at the reality of it.
No, me never look upon like, wait, does this even make sense?
Like, my usual issue is I will go and I'll plan. I'm like, all right, we'll do that show, yeah. I have that fit here for the show. I have that fit here for when I forward back. This. And my girl just look at me and says, like, so you're not bringing any clothes for when you're just like...
Nah, do nothing.
Nah, do nothing.
That catch me too.
Like,
Yo, people understand that? Like, you will pack your suitcase.
Yeah.
And you pack the suitcase for the 2 show them where you have. You say, all right, I'm going to wear this here, so this there, so.
Yep.
But what happened to when you not do nothing?
Yeah, it's just like, so what? You're not going like go nowhere, or
So what when you not do nothing?
what are you gonna sleep in? You're not going to just put on like some, on just like a regular shirt for just go
Sleep
sleep.
them underpants.
But so are you gonna go everywhere in the jeans, in the pants, in the like? What are you? You going to wear those shoes everywhere? You know what I mean? Like,
Me do it still. I'm not lie.
I mean, we've had to do it before,
I feel like as man we get away with that.
Oh, absolutely. And we just do it just...
Because we can.
Yeah.
We
It's
can.
like, all right, we're not an option. I'm not going to buy no extra clothes.
I will be leaving for a weekend.
Yeah.
1 jeans.
Yep.
3 shirt.
Mm-hmm.
God go.
Fully. fully.
Nah, get me. 1 jeans, 1 shoes, 3 shirt, 1 marina, 1 shorts.
Yep.
And there's a gym downstairs. Roll arm, toothbrush.
Boom, bang. Good
Don't
to go.
invite me go nowhere because...
Yeah, 'cause if it's anywhere too serious, boy.
No, that's why we carry 3 shirt. If me
Yeah.
have 2 shirt, me carry 3 shirt.
No, but if I somewhere, if I just
if I some dress up thing you look for,
Yeah, boy,
better just hope say when me have on,
we work.
can work. And 9 times out of 10 as man, we can, remember men, we can get away with a white shirt, you know.
Yeah, fully.
We can't get away with a white shirt.
Yeah.
Or a black shirt.
Yeah. Yeah, and just rock that all the time.
Watch, one shoes, white shirt.
Yeah, as man, we can get away with it like a uniform. Like, I just that me wear. Just this is my jacket, and I wear this. You know, I wear it everywhere.
Like, we can wear a tracksuit.
Yeah.
And it's just completely fine. Nobody cares.
Yeah.
I can wear it, go to the club. I can wear it, go to the restaurant. I can wear it, go to the gym. I can
This is true.
This is my tracksuit. I'm doing what I want to do in my tracksuit.
Yeah. True. And it's, I mean, women can.
No.
They just don't.
You realize women don't even repeat clothes?
Yeah, they don't like repeat clothes. They don't like repeat clothes unless it's like the normal, like them every day.
Yeah, if it's like if,
somewhere you wear at the yard, you wear that at the yard all the time.
yeah, if a woman buy a dress, it's like a one time them wear the dress.
Yeah. Okay. Let me defend on the woman. It's not the one time. Hear what them do. Them style it one way one time. So they might wear the dress as just a dress one time. But the next time them wear it, them are gonna wear it as like put on a jeans over and tuck in the dress and now the dress is a top.
Yeah, but them still do that. Them not do that enough.
No man, them will do it enough. You just I pre them enough.
Brother, you what them do. Them will have a sundress, I wear the sundress, and then them wear the sundress with a jacket.
This is what I said. Them wear it with a jacket. They might.
But that's the only thing them will repeat a sundress. Woman now repeat like you know like we just said.
Them not repeat an outfit.
Clothes, a woman now repeat an outfit.
Yeah, them not repeat an outfit. Them repeat a piece.
Yeah, but
different ways.
Woman not repeat outfit.
Yeah, outfit no, not unless it's like just a regular.
My theory is because them majority of the clothes them what them have cheap enough to do that.
True.
No, me not say no clothes them cheap. Because I know some want to say, but no clothes them cheaper than man clothes.
It's also like less fabric and thing too.
Yeah, it's like some little thin. Yo, you know what? A girl take up a blouse. Oh yeah, this is my blouse. When I look the blouse, these are the blouse.
It's like what happened to it? Like where
the rest right there? And then put it on and it full out.
Yeah, but you know, it's like I guess half the price of the shirt is good if it's half the shirt.
This is what confuses me.
Wow.
Our clothes have a lot of fabric, right? So our shoes bigger.
Yeah.
Pants bigger.
Yeah.
Shirt, everything bigger.
Yeah.
So don't that mean that when we are traveling, our luggage should be more than theirs? Brother, a girl.
I see where you going.
Brother, 5 dress.
Yeah.
For a girl can fold up a hole in a man like this.
Yeah.
Why are women having overweight suitcases?
Because they're bringing everything.
They are fitting.
But remember, there's a bunch of other cockroaches that them bring with them too. You know? It's not just the. Because man, them would just. All right. The man packing would just be shirts, underwear, pants, shoes, toiletries, toothbrush, you know, whatever, right? And sometimes we might forget one of them 5 something there, right?
There's chances that one of those will not.
Yeah, one of those not going to make it. You go there and you're like, damn, I left my socks. I'm going to bring the socks. No, the one socks me I forgot beat the whole time.
You only carry 2 underpants deal? Damn.
Oh, how you going to make this work? All right. The woman them now, they have to pack clothes, but them also have to pack all the like things. Them need the curling iron.
7 bangle pan.
Them need the bangles. They need
the curling iron is what gets me.
You know, them need the curling iron. Them need to bring, you know, if them wear wigs, them need the extra hairs. Them need the, you know, nail polish and, you know, all the things. The shampoo. Them will bring them own a shampoo. You know what I mean? Bring the soap. Because I don't know what kind of soap them have at the hotel. I'm going to use every soap, you know, because skin sensitive.
Yeah, so I have to just use my kind of soap.
Yeah, you know. Because I'm like allergic and, you know. You have to bring everything plus shoes and, you know, for them shoes.
Heels.
Yeah, the different sizes. Them can't wear the one shoes. Them have to bring the heels, and them have to bring the flats, and them have to bring a boot, and them have to figure out which one them going to wear to the, and them have to wear the Crocs there.
Right. Exactly.
You see me?
So we come to the consensus that them bring everything.
Them bring everything, not just clothes.
Right. You win.
Yeah.
Now, why when we're at these places, them can't find nothing for wear?
Comments. I need y'all to help me here. Yeah, I'm going to have to.
That is Alma. That is Alma.
I'm going to chime in.
So them carry everything.
So
the iron, the
so
tree slippers, the dress them.
What I attribute it to is two things. I think is the first thing I think is theory versus execution, right? You know when you like when I talk earlier, you're like, damn, I feel like this outfit look bad, but like you thought about it to put it on, right? I think that happens, or they're like, okay, I can bring this dress and bring this, and then they get there and they put them on, and they're like, I hate this. I hate how this looks right now for some reason. So no, they have to rearrange everything, right? But they also have the second reason: too many options. So whereas we just like, yo, is a black, we'll bring a black pants and 3 black shirt. So boom. You know what I mean? If one black shirt mess up with another black shirt, then I have to figure out is this black dress gonna go with this blue something.
Tell them when you know you mess up with a woman. See if she ask you if you like what she have on. I did see her in something first. I did say, he say, yeah man, this good, that good. Either one of them can work, you know. That means you're not wearing none of them.
You're not helping at all.
No, that means you're not wearing none of them.
You're not helping at all. And you have to, and it's not just your response to it, it's how you respond. Cause you could have go, check about, what do you think about this? I'm changing it. I don't like how you just went, You don't even respond yet to them.
Mean this not cut it.
Yeah, that's just, okay, fine, this done. Like, no, you can't, no, the dress, I just change. No, I'm changing all of it.
All of his two dress, same dress, just different color. And you genuinely say, yo, any one of them here can go, you know.
Yeah.
That mean none of them not wear.
Yeah, you don't have a, like, which one called to you though? I mean, one yellow, one orange. I mean, you know, you feel orange or you feel lemon. You know?
What you want me to do?
You see what you want me to do? And I'm good with all of them. I'm good with any one of them. You have to help me pick. You got to pick. Which one, match?
That will, estimate it. That nothing will ever change.
Yeah.
Nothing will ever change.
Facts.
What go on this week? I know a couple things go on this week.
Couple things.
Tiger get away.
Yeah.
You see Tory Lanez get stabbed.
Yeah. I hear him recovering.
Yeah, 14 stab him get.
That's crazy.
In a LA.
In a cell.
How much year him gone now? Him to get sentenced to 12. It's been 5 years now.
That's crazy.
I mean, him, sentence-wise, he might soon come a road, you know.
True. I mean, probably that's why I'm getting stabbed up.
Yeah. The way LA work is like, what, day and night or something like that?
I don't remember.
I think it's day and night. And I'm sure him would have eligible for parole soon.
Yeah.
5 years.
Especially if him upon, good behavior or whatever.
5 years. All I can say is, if my day start with Meg Thee Stallion and Kylie Jenner in one pool, it now finish with me a shot one of them.
That's...
It now finish like that. It does not finish like that.
I mean, so...
Do you really believe he shot her?
No.
Women, attack!
Right?
Attack! Got him!
I don't know what could have happened, right? I don't know what could have happened. Would my day also end with busting a shot off of one of them? I don't know.
No.
Absolutely I would say no, but I also don't know how for them life.
There's no circumstance where my ways would I end up to that.
I don't know how them life set up. Why I say that is because, we all knew Diddy was weird. We didn't know how weird he was, right? So I don't know how them life set up where if you could be hanging out 1 minute and then next minute to the feel like for bus shut off or whatever.
Brother, we live at LA, my youth. We've seen some, not even we, me don't know you. I've seen some creepy and freaky shit since I've been here.
Yeah. yeah.
Some crazy, like, ga party, ga some house party, and you just, say just don't go upstairs and go down the road there.
Yeah.
Because upstairs down the road there,
yes,
if you don't want to see what they over there, just don't go over there.
Up there's a lock off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I feel like that is like just a written rule in LA. Like,
yeah. Yeah, that's kind of been my experience. So that's why I say, who knows what
this is
could have gone.
This is what is confusing to me though. And I am everybody where anybody where claims say them get abused or whatever, they might go through the courts process, and if that happened to them deserve the retribution feat and everything.
Absolutely.
In my years of living in LA, when we got to them party there, everybody there looked like them with the shits. Honestly. like to me, everybody there look like them with the shits. And I've been to some of the craziest party over here.
Facts.
And
Very
when
facts.
we walk in, everybody look like them down.
Them with it.
For whatever are gonna happen.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
What always happens is the ones them will feel odd one out, we stand up together.
Yeah.
And look round.
Yo, man, I know what's them thing I go on.
Because people, trust me, it is completely normal for a man walk up to you and ask if you're snowing. You do blow, bro? You do blow?
They will come up and just
Do you surf?
do it in front of you and just
Listen to me.
and offer you like politely
let
to
me
you.
explain something to you. You don't live at LA until a man walk up to you out of the blue, a boy or a girl, just walk up to you and be like, hey, you want some?
Yeah. It's like, hey, you good?
Listen to me, it's a small spoon like this.
Yeah,
You
that's
want?
really cool.
Put in your nose and
Yo, yeah. So, bro, I was talking to the guy. I was like, whoa.
like normal.
We just sit at away like
like that completely normal here.
Yeah.
It's just you have to make the decision where do you want to indulge in that?
Bro, I was at a festival one time and met up with like these, this group of white people seeing me. I was like, oh yeah, I just finished playing and whatever, right? They asked me if more nothing for drink. I was smoking, them come smoke with me, right? Asked me more nothing for drink. And they're like, yeah, it's like in the chest over there. So those two, yeah, just go grab one. I opened one and it was just water, right? I opened another one and it was like water, beer, soda. So I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna grab a water. And she's like, no, that's Mali water. Yeah. If you want one of the, unless you want that.
Unless you want that.
Unless you want that. But the other ones are like regular water. I'm like, oh, thank you so much for telling me.
Some people don't even understand. Like, listen to me. When you're in LA and somebody says they're going to Coachella,
jugs.
Not everybody that go to Coachella is doing. But let me tell you something.
All right. Okay.
Coachella is you are going. That's the highest. That's the highest level of heights.
No, man. Tell you what's worse than Coachella. If you are going to Burning Man.
No, the festival.
If you're going to Burning Man, you're up. Coachella is like you could be. I want to see.
You might book up in night.
Yeah, you might. You for sure going to book up in night at Coachella. But Coachella, you can't go to Coachella and think, oh, I want to see. Frank Ocean.
Different stages.
Yeah, I want to see Frank Ocean and the Crooks playing there and more say this person and that person and Tyler performing and and you are going to see the actual show. Burning Man, jugs.
That's what you're going there for.
Yeah, you're going there and low-key, them kind of festival there is like, you don't even want to go there sober, bro. Like, you go there sober, you're like, why am I even here? What is...
yo, like, me can... I've been there LA long enough now to even know what kind of time it is.
Yeah.
Brother, you see if you're walking on a like lounge type vibe where feel too mellow, and you walking all here the Drake. Tim, tim. I see man turn vex for them ex-friend. That's one. Oh, that's another again. I see man turn fool for the money. God no, I'm trying.
God knows.
I'm
Oh yeah. If you hear that, or if you hear listen.
See me like with you. Listen. Just know, I'm explaining something.
Yeah, man. Snowing.
that place is snowing.
It's snowing in
Yo.
You see everybody just says so.
I need distance between me and them. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Just know all of them in there. Higher like a kite.
Anybody you talk to is going to talk to you way too close to your face. They're gonna be. Yo, so I was trying to tell him earlier, and you're like, yo, why is this guy
and them are go attack
so close,
so loud?
I was telling him earlier that,
loud.
yo, I saw him perform. I saw him perform at like 3 years ago before he got big.
See that? So what do you do out here? Yo, you see what they that one there? So what do you do out here?
Yeah, man, you hear the...
It's done.
Yeah, man, it's over. It's over. It's over.
It's completely done.
Are you guys going back to the spot? We're doing a house party.
We're doing that.
Doing a house. You guys rolling?
People even understand, so yo. If when you get invited to
get a
somewhere
black truck,
else,
we could all go. This is the black truck. Let's go. You ready? Hey, come on.
I've been. Me can't even call like. Me not call no name.
Yeah, but
I've been at parties where like a famous actor just be like, hey, everybody, I got a truck outside. You're all welcome to my house.
Yep.
Beverly Hills.
Yep. The
70, 80 other way.
All I want to pack
Mansion.
up into some area where you have to pass a gate and then drive another 2 miles up.
And not even that. You have to pass the gate, not your phone.
No, not at all.
Not your phone, no.
Yeah, man, all of it. Yeah, man, everybody.
Wrap it up, write your name on it.
Yep. Put
Go
a
back
little
and
thing,
collect it.
keep your ticket. Here you go. Yeah, man, good to go.
And people, we're not indulging in the Sodom and Gomorrah.
No.
But we're here.
No.
And
But,
I've seen it.
Yeah, them thing that go on though.
And whatever you hear is true.
Yeah. That's how we can. But as I said earlier, you have to be careful, especially ones on the internet that's seeing things. And have to be careful with what believe.
Yeah, don't feel like it's people over here getting used and abused.
It's not just victimization.
That's
constantly.
happening, That is completely happening.
Yes.
But I promise you,
there's a level of complicity.
There are people here that is with the shits.
Yeah. Them there for that. Like there's people where that's like
completely there for that.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go here. Bam. Just know your nose might hurt you.
Yeah. And it's like you have to know whether or not you firm in yourself, for know where you are indulging and where you don't are indulging.
Brother, me I hear a man say, yo dog, you live in LA and you don't get the movie yet.
You know what them people that they do for movie, man?
See, no, we're not gonna say that. But let me show you how LA stay. LA can facilitate that happening very fast.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely.
If you surround yourself with the right people.
Yes.
And do what them want you do.
Yeah.
That's all me would say.
Yeah. No.
If you want to work hard for your own, it take like a longer.
And you can achieve it. You might not get the same level of like acclaim that everybody else.
Or you might not reach there the same time.
Yeah. But.
Or you might not just, because some people genuinely come here and catch a break. As them there, luck.
Yeah.
Some people come here work hard.
And I think the luck, I think it's a mixture of luck and the right connections at the same time.
You have to know for politics here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sometimes I feel like I fall short with that.
Yeah, you're not outside in all
I'm
the
just not
places.
that. Yeah, me just not that type of person. I feel like when I just come to LA, I need way more outgoing.
Yeah.
Until I start realize that, Jano, the people that were outgoing don't necessarily mean them at work.
No, they're just out.
That just mean them outgoing.
Yeah. There are, so that's I feel like that's one of the first veils that fall when you're like,
when you understand
like,
the works of things.
Yeah, it's
if
like,
you see somebody outside every minute and they're not outside for work,
yeah, them now nothing
they're
for
not
for
doing
you.
anything.
They have like this link.
This
even
link
makes
that you
sense.
think you have is not really a link. You is actually the link to them.
So what's so weird about LA, I think, especially, this is like mostly, I don't want the LA people get into the comments and talk about, yo, I hate when people from out of these tourists come here and talk about the problems with LA.
Oh no, that's not,
We're talking about
Hollywood then.
We're talking about Hollywood, and
say
we're talking
Hollywood.
about
North, East, we're talking about
and we're
Hollywood.
talking specifically about like the transplants, the people that
We're
come
talking
from
about the
somewhere else.
industry.
Yeah. No.
LA people don't want nothing from you.
No.
The
No.
The out of town people them
Yeah, they're the ones like
that
trying
come
to
here,
find
live at LA, and they are the bullshitters.
Yeah. And it's like, it's trippy because now, if you fall to LA, right? And you're like, yo, I want to be an actor. You know, you come from wherever, right? And now you fly come to LA, you get a little spot, and now you're trying outside and you hear about this is the spots, and you're going, you're trying network, and you have to network, right?
You have to.
If you don't do that, you're out of the game. And you go, and you're here, because you can't be real neither, you know.
No.
You can't be real, you know. You can't be like, yo, I just moved out here. I don't know anything about anything.
No, them
I'm
no
just
want to
trying
talk to you.
Because you're nobody.
No, you know, you're there long enough to even know
That you're not supposed to do that.
That used to happen to me so much.
Right? You
just come over here, just do the movie. Oh, yo, me just come over. Me just okay.
You have to be somebody.
You have to be.
Like,
you have to be able to know the people that them know.
Yeah.
And be the places that they are.
You have to know how, like, if you're name drop, you have to know how for name drop. Like, oh yeah, I did this movie. Oh yeah, I'm an actor. You have to be a thing.
Yo, you know what? All right. I'm an actor is the easiest way for me stop listening to you.
Yeah, absolutely.
At LA.
Yeah.
You tell me you're an actor here.
It's like,
I'm sorry. All right, what else?
Duh.
Why your day job? Because if you're there, so talk to me and tell me say you're an actor, I don't know you. Mean the acting thing probably not.
Yeah, it's not working out. I don't even recognize your face for go, oh, you're the guy from the
I have never introduced myself as an actor. The craziest thing is when like my brother would be like, me da meet a dog and me and him would have reason, and then me da there on him like 3 months later, and I'd be like, hey, I'm on my Netflix the other day with my girl, and I'm like, wait, I know this nigga. Wait, stop this shit. Wait.
I didn't know you were an actor. You in the movies.
I saw people find out if we ever do a film. Not, oh, yo, my name is Dale. I am an actor. Brother,
Because when you do it like that, you know the vibe them get now.
Where my
it's
look?
like, yeah,
struggling after trying that thing.
You know what I mean? My tribe was like, oh, no, I have to go watch this indie film with this brother.
Oh, Jesus.
You know what I mean? You know
what? So, for avoid all of that,
yeah, you just
tell them, yo, when people ask what you do over here, say, yo, you know, me's a hard worker, you know, me just, you know, me's an entertainer.
yeah, no bag of things. You know?
Yeah, but it don't make no sense.
What me do?
Yeah, it don't make no sense you go put yourself in a box
Yeah.
at LA, because if you put yourself in a box, everybody out here feel like you want something from them.
Yeah, absolutely. If you try to present yourself as this thing,
Brother,
then
I see
it's
man
like,
over here all overstate them importance like
yeah, man.
crazy. Even that, brother, one time I meet a girl, brother, and the girl was like, oh yeah, you know, I was actually just working on Sinners.
Just working on Sinners. You know, did the makeup.
She was just a PA.
But she worked on Sinners though.
Yeah, but brother, when the way she's like me and my team, and you should see the work we put in to make it happen. But understand,
Yeah.
you really, you know, you put in the work to make it happen, but you're a PA.
Hollywood is one of the few places.
And well, let's just say
Big up the PAs.
A PA is a personal assistant, and a PA is like, it's very important because like if a film link me right now, depending upon the type of film, I would be a PA on Sinners.
Yeah.
I would definitely.
Absolutely.
PA is like, yo, go get me some coffee. All right, got it.
Gonna need this, contact this person, call this person for me while I figure
go
this out.
outside, let in that, go pull a gate for me.
Yeah.
A PA is like a run up and down person.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're a personal assistant
to
to somebody.
Yeah.
Make sure people eat. Like, that's the way I do.
And usually you're assigned to one particular person. So
and
it's like,
and what they sell you for being a PA, which works out sometimes, is they sell you that you are going to be around all these people.
Yeah.
And you are going
also
to
you have credits. You have
get
a film credit now.
Yeah, but no, you are now being around these people. You get to network and create connections. So now you know the director because he's the personal assistant for the director. Or you know, so but really and truly, you're like
yeah, you're nobody. You can't go, hey, I was Ryan Coogler's PA on Sinners. I mean, he might remember you. If
he remember you, but the thing is, as a PA, you are around these people for maybe 4 or 5 months.
Yeah.
So if you leave a good impression,
you can leave a good impression.
You might end up so that is like a good in.
Yeah.
But I feel like them used, because it's such a good in, Hollywood take advantage of it. So they're like, me make you a PA, $100 a day.
Yep.
$100 a day. And you run up on and do more work than everybody.
Yeah, you are moving constantly.
And you get the least amount of pay.
Yeah.
No residuals.
Yeah.
No nothing. But it's a man, a PA. And you might not get no links too.
Yeah. You might be too busy running around.
The probability of you getting links probably even low.
Yeah. Because you're literally not supposed to be.
You're not supposed to even ask them personal question. And the person supposed to like you. But you don't try like, oh yeah, you should book me for your next show.
Link me, if you ever need another PA for anything outside of this, just link me.
I might tell them that, and you probably lose your job.
Yeah, man, fired. It's like, oh, you guy trying to step up in life, man.
Because now you try private services. Now you try step on the director or the person. So the people feel like industry over here.
Nice.
Over here, super competitive and cutthroat.
It's so crazy because you'll be a PA trying to oversell your thing, right? And talking to me, at tech at, the biggest club in LA, right?
Yep.
I'm the light guy, right?
I know you try to sell it to me like...
You're trying to sell it to me.
Like I can do something for you.
No, cause me, I go oversell myself to you. Like, oh yeah, I work at thing. There's one of the, you know that spot.
I worked on that. That was here. The tour that was here.
Yeah. I did the lights for that. Yeah,
I was on the lighting team, and we made all that happen.
Yeah, we did that. We did the whole show.
But oversell.
But no, it's two people where low key
can't do nothing for each other.
Low key, the two are homeless. I try to figure out if the other one can give me a break. You see me? I say like the two are struggle, hoping that you're this link, and you're not, and I am also not the link.
And guess what? The links don't want parody. The links are not. You're not getting to hang out with these links.
They don't want to parody.
The links don't even want there where you there.
No, at all.
Like, first of all, the links want to know what you do.
Yeah,
the links not introduce themselves to you.
No, so I feel like for links, it's like you genuinely just have to be
you and the person have to be click. You and the person have a click.
Yeah, and
be friends.
Yeah,
because even when you and them are friends, they're still not helping you.
No,
you and them are gonna just be friends.
Yeah,
you can be working. You can be doing things completely by yourself.
Yeah,
and they might not even think about you in that way that, remember go, oh, wait a second, remember this book? No. Yeah, them are just friends, and I just said stop.
And it's cool, and you my favorite. But
but that don't mean I'm gonna give you a job, nigga.
Like the fuck?
Fuck out of here. I'm not gonna give you a job.
Shit gotta make sense though, bro.
Yeah, it's like, what do you mean?
When Hollywood hit you with the it gotta make sense though?
It gotta work for me. It gotta make sense. I don't see if it's
just
not,
no say I know nobody, bro.
Yeah, it gotta work. If it's not working, I ain't on that shit, bro.
Yeah, I don't know nobody, dog. You just get the crush your soul, like, oh yeah, so I see you doing this
crazy. All right, like a party I keep, I say, oh yeah, man, more fat. Yeah, man, I only got 20 people right now, bro. The list is kind of crazy. You hang out with this person every day.
Yeah, it's like, damn, bro, why you ain't?
This list kind of crazy because, you know, such and such is in town and yeah, they be telling me I only got 20 people, bro. And
I already got it filled up. You know, they be tripping about the guys. I can't be putting no guys on the guest list.
I hang out every day, you know.
Yeah.
But nah, bro, it's 20 people.
Yeah.
And, I don't think I can't do that, bro.
Is it just you or you got any girls with you or what's the...
And if you have girls, all of a sudden you can't get in.
If you have 10 girls with you, you can't get in anyway, though.
Yeah. In LA, you par with 10 girls, you will never be left outside.
You're inside everywhere. Everywhere. You're not... That is currency in itself.
3 man in LA is no. 3 niggas going out in LA means y'all not getting in.
Brother.
That means you spending $300.
I remember there was an Afrobeat concert and the man them said they might do the after party. They might try to convince me for forward. My sister and I said, yeah, pull up because I got like +4 on my guest list. And I was like, my girl, I promise you that +4 is not for 3, man.
I swear it's only for 4 girls.
Them not letting in 3 man with you. Like, them not do it. I promise you. We're at least paying 40 a piece. It don't work like that. Yeah, man, 3 man not forward in. Even if you pay, it depends.
You might not get in.
Yeah.
Yeah, and not even that too. You might go there and see the longest line outside and inside an echo.
Yeah. Nobody knows.
There's nobody there.
That's very, very, very possible.
There is no, you hear the
music. Just hold the line till, you know.
Yeah, hear the music trumping.
It's like a psychology, you know. Because once you're in the line is so crazy, right? Because the line entices people too.
You know, I've never joined the line.
No, I've also never joined the line. But the line make it look like something that go on.
Yeah.
You see me? And it's like,
I've been to so much clubs in LA and not getting.
Yeah.
I drive past, I see the line outside. If the person me I call take too long for answer,
back to the yard.
Where you send them? I'm going back on my yard. Because I can't worry politics. I nah politic. Because I realize how LA work. You see, the more important you be, they will not have you standing outside.
Oh, absolutely.
If them feel like you are somebody, they are coming outside to let you in. If they allow you to stand up outside,
yeah. Oh yeah.
You're now annoying to them and
absolutely
never again.
I think as a DJ, advice to all DJs if you want to get into the club circuit, the best thing you can do is friend up security. Befriend the security as much as possible if you want to get anywhere. Right,
bro.
God damn, I got.
Brother, you think of that? You know when me find out and it actually work?
What?
And this is crazy. The nicer your car, the quicker you get in.
Absolutely.
If the person who is letting in people, say you drive a nice car.
Yeah, man, don't even park it up front, you know.
Fuck the line.
Yeah.
All of that gone through the door.
Yeah.
Just pull up in a nice car.
Yeah.
You're in.
Yeah.
You're not asking no question. Them don't want to know if you know somebody in. You know, just look like.
You just get one of these. How many are y'all? Oh, 4. These 4. They're good.
Yeah.
you didn't even know that brother there, you know. They just, yeah, man, them 4, yeah, good. You're good to go.
Even as a man, go out with one girl. You and your girl go out and you pull up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man.
And she all bad.
Yeah, man.
You see if she bad?
Oh, if she bad, it's over. It's done.
If she bad, they must say, yo,
yeah,
what G?
Yeah, man. Good to go. Fully.
If she bad, them not care about you again.
Yeah. No, it's good. I make sure I say
once them start the one, they must say, wait, nice car, hot girl, in.
Yeah. Look, you have to go because if you have to go buy a buckler or something.
Yeah, but guess what? Yeah. Don't go park the car in my corner, you know. They must see where I drive. So all if I drive past and make eye contact with them so then say you go park. Because them not see the car where you drive I have a hot girl, you might still not get it.
Yeah, true. True. Very true. The best bet is for do the crazy valet where you park up front and you just you park right in front of the club and get out of the thing. Oh, yeah, man,
and the craziest thing though, but your car have to qualify for park out front.
Yeah, cause not every car
Don't
can.
park no camera out at front. You park a camera out at the front. I don't care how hot the girl is. You gotta join the line.
I don't care how much you soup up the camera.
Yo,
this is the way you do to the camera.
Yo, you could have the craziest rims on it. They're not letting you in. That privilege just start. I like. What kind of car you think start that?
The park up front. I would say it has to be, if it's a sedan, it have to be like either a big body or a sports car.
Yeah, it have to be a big body sedan.
Yeah. Or like something where crazy and sit like a Lamborghini. Sports car.
Supercars outside.
Supercars already.
Lambo.
Any supercar.
Them stop all the party. Let you all you in.
Yeah, fully.
Lambo, Ferrari, McLaren.
Yeah.
You're in.
Yeah.
The type of Porsche.
The type of, cause you can't, I don't feel like you
no
can.
Macan, you can't.
You can't pull up with a Macan or a Cayenne.
I feel like nobody are going to pay no mind.
Yeah,
No, you have to pull up in a.
Yeah, Panamera.
Depends on even the type of Panamera.
Yeah, it have to, cause you can't.
Honestly, if the Porsche under some GT, them not paying no mind.
Yeah,
if the Porsche is not
Porsche
a kind of GT,
out. Yeah.
If it's not a GT or a Cayenne S,
yeah,
where it look crazy.
And the Cayenne S have to look crazy. You can't just pull up in a regular Cayenne.
Yeah. And if a Mercedes is either S or G.
Yeah, that's it. Don't
It's not GLE.
No.
G-Wagon.
Yeah, not that GLE.
I understand. I understand GLE looks nice.
Yes, it's not a G-Wagon.
But if it's not a G with a wagon,
yeah, man.
And bear in mind, it can be a 2000 G-Wagon, a 1995 G-Wagon.
Every G-Wagon pass for some reason.
No matter what year G-Wagon is,
G-Wagons pass.
You're not paying to get in. The S, if your S-Class start from like 2015 up, you're good.
Yeah.
Maybach, you're good.
Good.
A BMW, I don't care what kind of BMW. You're not good.
BMW, so
I just LA. Sorry, don't fight us. No, not even an I8. Them care to see.
I was going to say the closest one is an I8, but even then it's just like.
We don't know.
I don't know why them bad mind the BMW them so much.
All if it's an 8 series BMW.
Them business which M they pan it, bro.
Oh, all right. Well, hey, if it's an M4, M3, well, low, then it low.
It have for bad though.
It have for bad. But don't feel like you come drive up the 3 Series.
No, absolutely
not.
That's not happening.
You're not drive up the C-Class and then move nothing out of the way for you either.
The high-end luxury car, them, I feel like always pass if you found it. Like the Bentleys.
Oh, yeah.
You know, them on the...
Bentley, Rolls Royce.
Yeah, good to go.
You don't have to pay for going in.
Yeah.
But you have to pay $100 for valet.
Absolutely. Absolutely. You pay that bills to
valet. Your valet more than everybody else would. So might as well pay for going in.
Absolutely.
Because whenever I charge you for valet, I'm going to be exactly more than when me I going to pay for going in.
And they're also, you better floss in there too. Because you can't just go in there and feel like you're going.
But the beautiful thing is you can't get away.
You can't get away.
Because they might expect for you to do that when you go in.
Yeah, they might expect say you go floss. They might expect say you go.
So you might not have to do that, but don't make the man will let you in.
See you just
go in and see you in there.
And you're not drinking, but
you know expire your privileges.
You can't just come out and have a good time, bro. How do you think?
But,
no, I thought you were getting bottles. What, bro, it's 900 for the buckle. You know,
time is too hard right now to go out of my house and spend $1,000
to drink. To drink something where you could have get for $40.
To say even drink is crazy. If you spend $1,000, if me I spend $1,000 right now, me I feel go home with a coach. I
would be furniture or something.
I leave with something. Me not leave with a shoes. No, me I leave with a toaster, a microwave, a air fryer, a blender, a iron board.
You can't furnish your whole house, you know.
A pack of sheet.
Oh, you know what you can do at IKEA with $1,000?
Me I coming back with some plant. Me are coming back with some. It's a lot me can do with $1,000.
Oh gosh.
Me I do so much more than drinking that
Just
alcohol.
just have a sign with you. Is it me?
With your name on
With your
it.
name on it. Dale Elliott TV. Granddad, you know.
Subscribe. What's the blood not mad?
Have the sign come outside. Alton Dean.
Alton. Be a girl at dance. Say, yo, Alton Dean.
Alton Dean is like, here you go, Alton. Is like, no, I'm not Alton. It's a
I
joke.
don't mean
It's
Alton.
That's an insider. YouTube go understand. Me I do this for social.
Brother, you know what happened to me, what, brother? So one time I got Poppy at LA, and me go there with YG and Nico Marley.
Yeah.
So now me have dreads and
Yeah.
I'm a Marley.
So of course you're a Marley too.
So me reach after them though.
Yeah.
So the man Virgin Nico say, yo, just tell him, say, yo, you know, you're inside.
Yeah.
So bam, we pull up. Pull up at the front, me I look 3 parking, you know. Can't find no parking, so that's a John, I have to go valet. So pull up at the front, valet. Remember, me just do me here, and I have it up in our bun. Brother, me have it up in our bun and couple of come off on the side.
Oh Lord, man. Hype.
But now like, brother, when I pull up, the man them not allow me to open my car.
No,
Is that the man that said, oh, but no man,
yeah, good. I would,
him with a weight pan.
yeah.
Brother, me not even get to tell the man them say, yo, at this at such a no, man say, oh, yeah man.
Yeah,
Say,
man.
well,
Yeah,
I said, man, yo, wagwan.
Wagwan, yeah.
Weirdest
Yes, Jamaica.
Jamaican accent me I hear.
Wagwan.
It's like the man say, oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
oh
he's-
YG Marley there, Nico Marley there.
This is clearly
Clearly
another
this
one.
is a Marley.
Another Marley here. He got here late. Maybe this is like a big brother.
So now walk in, the man them a walk with me around the light. Them a say, oh yeah, come he's going. No, me pick up where I go on, you know.
Yeah.
Me pick up where I go on. So me I walk to them now for laugh.
Yeah.
Reach to them and the man say, oh yeah, no, we're here, man. You guys are so fun. We're having a great time. Love the movie. Love the movie. Your song is great, man. Man, I talk to me, you know.
Yeah.
I said, yeah, you love the movie. I love the song, man. What do you want? What do you want to drink? Casamigos or what kind of tequila? Man said, wait, I said tequila. Man said, Casamigos. I said, Casamigos.
Don Julio,
Blanco or you know what I'm saying?
Reposado.
Blanco or Reposado. I said, no, man, Blanco. Good, got you. The day I talk to Nico now. And me and YG attack. Now YG sing the song, Rose of Flame.
Yeah.
Me and YG there at the back attack. YG not really in at the party like that. Him kind of reserved around at the back and him quiet.
Yeah, he's a very like reserved brother from
So-
what I notice.
Me mind man just come ask me what kind of liquor I want, you know. So now me gone one side little bit, go sit down.
Yeah.
And me see them a come with like the difference and the song and everything. YG Marley. And I mean, man, come to me and play. These rolls of flame are catching a fire. Me, I see me, I sit down. No. Me, I say, you know,
Why'd you over there? Just...
but they know the Kevin at me.
Yeah.
No. Brother, me, I say, no, man, hey.
No, that's over here, son.
Me, I say, no, them over
These
there.
hoes of flame. He's just watching it.
When I see man like man, I say, oh,
Oh, sorry.
you can't go by yourself. Brother,
That's a weird thing to play off.
brother, me laugh, brother. Because, brother, imagine, brother, me head down in my phone. I'm just say here, told you I love you, you call
You just
me a
say,
lie.
flash it.
I mean, I say, but me I see the reflection in my phone. I say, hold on. What is a girl that pan a man's shoulder? When we look up, brother, is a girl pan a man's shoulder with the buckle. And a beer freezer stay, sir.
Sparklers and beer thing.
No, everybody not the brother.
I look by you.
Everybody like come over, like them and say, yo, I him that. Me
Yo,
I
that's
say,
your man.
shame a kill me. Me I say, no.
No, that's...
Me I say, no. See the wrong at the back in the big chain. What you talking about?
Yeah, why Jesus there chilling?
Man laugh.
That's perfect. Yes, this is...
Cause
But even want this hype up.
it clear say him never want that. No.
He never even want to hype up, so, you know.
Brother, in my mind, me see a buckle there.
Yeah.
And when the brother asked me when me want to drink,
Like him that can
I
bring
thought he was going to just go and just take some of the drink out of that buckle and carry it over to me.
I didn't think he was going. Oh,
I never think he was going to come with a
for the
whole
bottle service. Or
like
what
a
you
whole
want for
bottle
your
service and like a. I said, Jesus Christ! What that man do to me?
I wish that was on video. That would be perfect.
Brother, I say, yo, all me cannot think about is I'll pop this, you know.
Yeah, that's crazy.
$600 for that.
Yeah, for just that.
Me not pay for that, you know.
Oh, God, don't look for me. Don't send that receipt to me. I am not paying for this. This is not mine.
No, it's not mine.
I was invited here.
I was invited here. Me there. Me all our vibes. I just come one side for reason.
Yeah.
I just send a text from my phone and I go back over there. So
yeah.
Don't come give me no.
No, don't come. Oh, here's you guys had a good time. Here's your receipt. Here's the no. I didn't.
That was not me.
I didn't even drink.
That was, I don't even drink like that. Why would you even do that?
I didn't order anything. This is not mine. I'm out of here.
Must be mad. Yo, people. People, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, you know. You know the episode them slow down, but don't fight me. You know, we're up on the road. You know, just check the list. The list of the shows in the description.
Yeah.
And make sure you follow out, you see me? All right, boom, we're out.
Boom, boom, bang.